Hi, I'm, I trust you are very busy as I am also getting busy helping first home buyers. And the reason I wanted to do this video, I have launched 100 first home buyer project. If you have not seen that yet on my LinkedIn or Facebook, and as you are also helping first home buyers, I thought this is going to be helpful to introduce the right first home buyer, as you would have got the loan pre-approved. There's a 5% deposit starting from 1st of October. What does that mean is the competition is going to increase. So that hence I have created this 100 first home buyer project. What does it involve? Is it's going to be one package service for them, which includes real estate support, conveyancing, building and pest inspection. If there's any quote required for fixing or renovation, etc., that will be included. So, who is this for? This is for people who have got pre-approval or who are in the process to get pre-approval, and they may be getting this 5% deposit scheme. They are getting their finance done, or they are doing more than 5%. So yes, so 100 first home buyer project is to assist those first home buyers to get the real estate support on suburb selection. What is the affordable right suburb? Then what's going to be the right property? What are the options available, pre-market, off-market? That's what I will be providing that support. Then what's the right price? Then what to negotiate, how to secure it. So that's going to be included. So one package, one home, one for each family. It will include all these services, and usually it is $11,000. But for first 5 people, it is $5,500, 50% off, which will include, again, I'm iterating, my real estate support fee, and it's much more than it's across guiding them on property selection to securing. Then it will include conveyancing fees. It includes building and pest inspection fee also. So, but I can't do this for everyone. So I'm only doing it for first five first home buyers who wants to secure before 31st of December. And why I said this 100, will be the first 100 first home buyers whom I'm keen to help before 31st of December, because less than 100 days are left. Yes, so if you have a client who has finance approved, please introduce so that they can be that first five. Yes, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, my number is 0421386684. Drop a message. Yes, you're the first one to know about this, and 50% off for the first five. So I can't guarantee it will be available after five, because I want to do the right thing, providing the right support. I look forward to hearing from you. Is it your buyer going to be lucky one? Let me know. Thank you. Bye for now. This is Shama from Create Your Life.